हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम इंग्लिश में लेसन नंबर 17 द ग्रेट मराठा पढ़ेंगे। ओके, न्यू चैप्टर है, आप अच्छे से ध्यान देंगे। इन दिस लेसन वी विल लर्न अबाउट द सक्सेस स्टोरी ऑफ द ग्रेट मराठा सोल्जर शिवाजी। किसकी स्टोरी है? शिवाजी। एक ग्रेट मराठा थे, सोल्जर थे। ओके, और उनकी हम सक्सेस स्टोरी, वो कैसे सफल हुए, वो पढ़ेंगे। ही विश्ड टू बिकम द किंग, सो ही डिड utmost effort and got his dream fulfilled in 1674। वो किंग बनना चाहते थे तो उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी और वो बन गए, उनका ड्रीम पूरा हुआ 1674 में। शिवाजी वॉज अ ग्रेट मराठा रूलर। He was born at Shivneri near Pune in 1627 to Jijabai and Shaji Bhosle, an official in the court of the Sultan of Bijapur. At a very young age, Shivaji learned horse riding and the art of warfare. उन्होंने बहुत ही कम उम्र में, छोटी ही उम्र में उन्होंने हॉर्स राइडिंग करना सीख लिया और आर्ट ऑफ वॉरफेयर। अचीवमेंट्स: शिवाजी wanted to build a Maratha kingdom. He gathered a group of young men and formed his army. Shivaji mostly used the guerrilla mode of warfare. Under this system, his army would suddenly attack the enemy and then quickly hide in the nearby jungle or hills. In this way, he was able to occupy the number of forts. A fort is a building which is built to protect an area from attack. It protects one kingdom from the enemy's attack. Generally, forts were built on a hilltop or high ground so that one could have a good view all around and could easily see the enemy approaching from far. In 1646, Shivaji captured the fort of Torna. There were large treasures inside the fort. With this treasure, Shivaji built a new fort called Raigad Fort. Later, he captured the fort of Purandar in 1659. The ruler of Bijapur sent a large army under Afzal Khan to subdue Shivaji. Shivaji killed Afzal Khan with a weapon having sharp iron nails. Shivaji's soldiers defeated the Bijapur army easily. Shivaji and Aurangzeb. During the same time, Aurangzeb, the Mughal emperor, wanted to conquer South India. He would have to defeat Shivaji if he wanted to control the south. So he sent Shaita Khan, one of his generals, in 1663 to capture Shivaji. Shivaji defeated Shaista Khan and killed his son. Aurangzeb was very angry at this attack and he sent Jai Singh, one of his Rajput generals, to capture Shivaji. This time Shivaji was captured and he had to sign a treaty with the Mughals. Shivaji gave up some of his forts to the Mughals and agreed to meet Aurangzeb at Agra. When Shivaji came to Agra, Aurangzeb insulted him in his court and captured him and his son Sambhaji. Both of them were made prisoners in the Agra fort. Shivaji was very upset at Aurangzeb's behavior. He cleverly managed to escape from the Agra fort. Soon, Shivaji began capturing forts in the Deccan again. He became the king of Marathas in 1674 and took the title of Chhatrapati. His capital was Raigad. Shivaji was a great soldier and a brave and a successful ruler. he was able to challenge the powerful Mughals and remained independent ruler. Shivaji died in 1680. शिवाजी की स्टोरी है कैसे पहले अलग अलग किंग्स और उन सब से उनको लड़ना पड़ता था, और फिर उन्होंने औरंगज़ेब से भी लड़ाई करी। पहले तो वो जो उन्होंने औरंगज़ेब ने भेजे थे अपने लोग, उससे पहले जीत गए थे शिवाजी बाद में। लेकिन जब दोबारा हुआ तो औरंगज़ेब ने उनको कैप्चर कर लिया। लेकिन वो कैसे कैसे करके क्लेवरली वो वहाँ से भागने, आगरा फोर्ट से वो भाग गए, और फिर उसके बाद फिर से उन्होंने सब फोर्ट्स कैप्चर करने शुरू कर दिए। वो मराठा के किंग बने 1674 में, और उनको टाइटल मिला छत्रपति। उनकी कैपिटल थी रेगात। शिवाजी बहुत ही महान सोल्जर और ब्रेव रूलर थे, और he was able to challenge the powerful Mughals and remained an independent ruler. और शिवाजी की डेथ हुई 1680 में। When Shivaji made prisoner at Agra fort, he thought of a clever plan to escape. He started sending basket of fruits to the Brahmins of Agra every day. The guards would check each and every basket in the beginning, but later, when this happened every day, they become careless. Then one day Shivaji and Sambhaji hid in the basket and escaped Aurangzeb's prison. ऐसे वो औरंगजेब के प्रिजन से बाहर निकले। ओके, आपने ये पूरा चैप्टर फिर से रीड करेंगे आप अच्छे से और समझेंगे। नेक्स्ट टाइम हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।